These free AI tools are complete game changers. I'm talking about tools that can save you 10 to 15 hours every single week without spending a single dollar. In 2026, the free tiers of the best AI platforms have become so powerful that thousands of students, developers, freelancers, and professionals are replacing paid software with them. Today on Logic Vise, I'm revealing the free AI tools that are actually changing how people work. Stick with me till the end because I'll also share the exact stack I use in the workflows that deliver the biggest time savings. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Logic Vise, your practical guide to AI, tools that actually save time and improve productivity. I'm Logic Vise. In this complete video, we're covering 18 free AI tools that qualify as true game changers in 2026. For every tool you'll get, what makes it special? Real-world use cases, honest free plan limits, pro tips, limitations. These tools cover writing, research, coding, design, automation, and content creation. Whether you're a student, developer, content creator, or professional, this list is built for you. Let's dive in. Tool 1. Claude by Anthropic. Claude is currently one of the strongest free AI tools for deep work. Why it's a game changer? Excellent at long documents, structured thinking, coding, and nuanced writing. Best for technical writing, code review, analyzing long PDFs, and complex problem solving. Real example, upload a 50-page research paper or messy code base and ask Claude to summarize, extract key insights, and create an action plan. Work that used to take hours now takes minutes. Free plan, very usable daily limits on the latest Sonnet models. Projects feature helps organize different workspaces. Limitation, can slow down during peak hours. Tool 2. ChatGPT, OpenAI. Still the most versatile free AI tool. Best for quick brainstorming, first drafts, learning new skills, coding help, and everyday tasks. Pro tip, set custom instructions once so it always remembers your style and role. Free plan, access to strong models with daily usage limits. GPT-4o Mini remains highly capable for most work. Limitation, rate limits on the most advanced models. Tool 3. Gemini by Google. If you live in Google Workspace, Gemini is unmatched. Best for research, summarizing emails and documents, analyzing data in sheets, and multimodal tasks. Real example, ask it to summarize a long email thread and turn it into action items. Huge time saver. Free plan, generous limits, especially when connected to Gmail, Docs, and Drive. Tool 4. Perplexity AI, the research game changer. Why it's different? It searches the live web and provides answers with real citations. Best for academic research, fact-checking, market research, and staying updated without opening 20 tabs. Time saved. Research that used to take 30 to 45 minutes now takes 2 to 3 minutes. Tool 5. NotebookLM, one of the most underrated free tools in 2026. Best for students and professionals who work with lots of documents. How it works: upload PDFs, notes, or lecture recordings. NotebookLM becomes your personal AI study assistant. It creates summaries, quizzes, timelines, and even audio overviews. Real example, upload all semester notes and generate a revision podcast you can listen to while walking. Tool 6. Gamma.app. Create professional presentations and reports in minutes. Best for students, freelancers, and anyone who hates spending hours in PowerPoint. How it saves time. Type your topic and Gamma builds beautiful slides with images and layout automatically. Tool 7. Notion AI. If you already use Notion, turn on the AI features. Best for turning messy notes into structured pages, generating summaries, and creating databases faster. Tool 8. ElevenLabs, free tier. Realistic AI voice generation. Best for YouTube voiceovers, podcasts, presentations, and practice recordings. Free plan, enough characters for several short videos every month. Tool 9. Leonardo AI, high-quality AI image generation. Best for thumbnails, social media graphics, concept art, and design mockups. Free plan, daily credits that are genuinely useful for most creators. Tool 10. CapCut AI features, extremely powerful free video editing tools. Best for faceless creators, auto captions, background removal, effects, and AI music. Why it's a game changer, can cut editing time in half. Tool 11, Canva Magic Studio. AI-powered design tools inside Canva. Best for social media posts, presentations, posters, and quick graphics. Features: background removal, text-to-image, layout suggestions, and copy generation. Tool 12, Cursor. One of the best AI native code editors available. Best for multi-file editing, refactoring, and codebase-aware coding. Free plan. Limited but useful completions and requests for learning and small projects. Tool 13, GitHub Copilot, free tier. Still excellent for inline code completion. Best for everyday coding inside VS Code and JetBrains. Bonus, fully free for verified students and open source maintainers. Tool 14, Ollama. Run powerful AI models completely offline on your own computer. Best for privacy and unlimited local usage. Why it's a game changer. No data leaves your machine and there are no usage caps. Tool 15, Hugging Face. The hub for open source AI models. Best for experimenting with free models and using free inference APIs. Tool 16, N8N Open Source. Build powerful automations between apps. Best for connecting tools, automating repetitive tasks, and replacing expensive platforms like Zapier. Free plan. Self-hosted version is completely free and unlimited. Tool 17, DeepL. Still one of the best free translators available. Best for natural, accurate translation of technical and professional content. Tool 18, Continue.dev/Cline, open source. Free AI coding agents for VS Code. Best for developers who want full control and privacy by bringing their own models or API keys. Core thinking and writing. Claude plus ChatGPT plus Perplexity. Knowledge management. NotebookLM. Creative work. Leonardo plus CapCut plus Canva. Coding. Cursor or Copilot plus Ollama. Automation. N8N. Used together, these free tools can realistically save 10 to 15 hours every week. These free AI tools are genuine game changers in 2026. The people who learn how to use them effectively will work faster and smarter than those who don't. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to Logic Vise, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss new AI tools and tutorials. Drop a comment. Which of these tools are you most excited to try? Or tell me what you want next: more automation workflows, student-focused tools, or developer deep dives. Thank you for watching. Stay productive, and I'll see you in the next video.